Boom! Welcome to Think WTF, to the last of the 4 pillars that define trust.
So, accountability, skin in the game,
Skin in the game.
honesty.
Don't lie, steal, cheat, manipulate your staff or your customers.
Fantastic. Integrity.
Do what you say you will do.
And the final one is competence.
You'll know all about this one, won't you, Brett?
I know where you're going with this.
I'm not saying it anymore. I'm not saying it anymore. Do you want to deal with competence?
No, you deal with it.
It's table sticks, eh? I mean, really, if you're going to make promises, you're going to be in the game, you got to be able to deliver on what you actually are going to do.
Sure, I thought you were talking about my performance.
Well, I did see your wife scurrying down the passageway there. She was looking very good.
Panicked.
You
I
panicked.
have to admit that I'm incredibly competent. But you're right.
You know what? The only person who needs to know that is your wife, not us. So
But I think it's important, right? If you're a great business, if you're great at search, you're great at social,
Absolutely.
Facebook or Google, you're going to instill trust, right? You're really good at what you do.
Yeah.
Don't expect trust if you're completely shit at what you do.
And
Like
it's
you're a rubbish mechanic.
Absolutely.
And you're going, why does no one trust me?
Absolutely, and we see it. Products keep breaking. It's a bigger issue, and you would think it's a pretty obvious issue.
And I like it because it actually ties together with the whole thought of we trust people who are trying to do their best.
Absolutely.
It ties all the other 3 pillars together
Totally.
really well, because actually, why would I want to be doing business with someone who really doesn't care?
No, absolutely, and
really isn't good.
but you know
Maybe
what?
they do care, but
They do care, but you know what? Sorry is a very powerful word, but I'll never forget the experience of having a client fire me in one instance. I just joined this organization, one of these premier organizations, and who had overpromised on an ability to deliver, outsourced the problem. And you know what? The guy we were dealing with was a hell of a nice guy. He's like, Michael, I know you've tried. You're one of the nicest guys, but I have to fire you because you guys can't deliver. You know, and being the nice guy doesn't help. You've got to be able to deliver.
yeah, got to deliver. And you know what? You do make mistakes, and making mistakes is also okay because it's part of innovating. But in order to manage that, it's about managing the expectation.
Yeah.
A really competent organization helps manage the expectation while going through a cycle of making mistakes and failures.
Absolutely. So that's the 4 pillars. Boom, done.
Excellent, guys. Thanks very much.
Boom. Done.